A new species of monkey with a white handlebar mustache similar to Queen lead singer Freddie Mercury has been identified in sub-Saharan Africa. The Blue Nile Bata monkey was long thought to be a member of the Bata monkey species, but has now been found to be a separate group. Bata monkeys are found in Ethiopia and Sudan, and it is hoped the increased attention to the small range will improve conservation efforts in the region. Scroll down for video. The group can move at speeds of up to 34 miles per hour, 55 kilometers per hour, putting them among the fastest moving ground-dwelling monkeys. Dr. Spartaco Gippoliti of the Virginia-based Primate Specialist Group, a collection of scientists attempting to improve primate conservation efforts, looked at the appearance and range of the moustachioed monkeys. The genus Erythrocebus that all the monkeys belong to was thought to contain only one species, the Bata monkey. Dr. Gippoliti looked at past literature, animal behavior and physical traits to disentangle some questions concerning the taxonomy of Erythrocebus in Northeast Africa. He found that the Bata monkey is in fact divided into two species, including the newly identified Blue Nile Bata. Dr. Christoph Schwitzer, a conservation expert at the University of the West of England in Bristol, told the Mail Online, the original, widely distributed single species of Bata monkey is thus now split into two species, with the resurrected Blue Nile Bata monkey occupying only a relatively small distribution range. The move to split the genus into two separate species goes back over 150 years to 1862 when the Blue Nile Bata was first proposed. The scientific name Erythrocebus poliophaeus for the moustachioed primates was removed in 1927 as all Bata were wrongly considered to be the same. Dr. Gippoliti found that in fact, the genus should be once again split into two groups, defined by a lack or presence of facial hair, among other things. As well as a noticeable mustache, the Blue Nile Bata monkeys had black faces and noses. They are also distinguishable from the other Bata monkeys by their lack of a band between the ear and eye of their cousins. Dr. Gippoliti wrote in his study, "I resurrect Erythrocebus poliophaeus as a valid species that is found along the Blue Nile Valley." As well as breathing new life into the old Latin name, Dr. Gippoliti suggested two common English names, Huecklin's Bata monkey. Huecklin was the famous German explorer who discovered it, or the Blue Nile Bata monkey. Members of the new species are physically separated from other Bata monkeys by Sudan's Sut swampy region and the Ethiopian highlands. The new species has a much smaller range than originally thought. For conservation, this means that both of those species may be more threatened than originally thought, but this is yet to be evaluated, Dr. Schwitzer said.